about to check out and then head over to Shinkansen and get some coffee.
Guys, welcome back. It's part 4 of the Japan vlog now. This is a 2-year project that I've been constantly procrastinating, but I'm finally getting it out. Don't forget to subscribe if you do want to see more travel content, and like the video as well. But enjoy! For this video, we finally head away from Tokyo, down to Kyoto. Obviously, we took the Shinkansen, and this was a crazy first experience. I absolutely love it.
Kyoto. Time for a Macca's run. So there's one on every fucking bridge. Yeah, I know. It's like they're the Guardian Karages.
Okay, Guardian Karages aside, today we were gonna head to Kyoto Imperial Palace. The other place was Kinkaku-ji, which we didn't really do too much at, but one of my friends did recommend to go to it because of the way the sunset reflects on it. The temple means Golden Temple, so it looked pretty good, at sunset at least.
Wow, and look at all those balls. It's like the first evidence of a snail I've seen in Japan. Now we know they exist. Like, why is this the biggest epiphany for me, knowing that snails in Japan exist?
I forgot to mention there were 2 other places we went to. Nijo Castle, and then this tiny little shrine opposite it that we happened to just come across and wanted to just explore it.
Where is Google taking it?
Okay, it's the second half of our little 2-day Kyoto hop. Today we visited the 2 biggest places. Kiyomizu-dera, we didn't go inside, you'll see that in a future vlog, and Fushimi-inari. Both of them were amazing. Okay, it might be a bit racist of me to put on that Genshin Impact in Azuma music, but enjoy this Ghibli store. This video confuses me. Here I am, in the most beautiful place in Kyoto, and my camera is just shaking non-stop. Meanwhile, I find this random Nissan, and I'm just perfectly framing it. I'm not even a car person! I really begin to see how much footage I'm lacking now based on how long this vlog is, and how much they've been shortening since the first video, but we just kinda have to deal with that. Trust me though, I have gotten much better at pacing the footage. look, Tristan's shitty video habits out aside, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
We're in Japan, and we're taking a photo of the telephone. We're just all packed now. We should be going off tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Wait, give me the camera.
What?
Give me the camera.
Yeah, okay.
No.